Hello everyone, welcome back. With another video based on Android Koge, we are going to discuss about Nosumkra LKS version 1.1 unofficial. This ROM is very good, stable, smoke, and the best ROM for gaming in Android ROMs. So let's start the video and we are going to discuss about this ROM maintained by CB Krishna. Angro Skorki patch of Gate My 5 2021. So let's start the video and before this I will say you go subscribe this channel. We have reached 70 cafe members yet. So let's start the video. So first of all, we are going to discuss about system setting. Here we will see language input and Gasker option. You can easily manage this option in Gasker. You can see system navigation using 3 buttons or Gasker system. You can also handle the left edge, right edge and hidden mode in Gasker setting, which is very easy to use. After this, you can also see here prevent linking mode and the upper option. You can easily manage these options. You will have no issue using these issues. After it, we are going to see here Gen Parks. If we talk about Gen Park, you can use key options if you want to use. I usually don't like a Gen work, maybe smart charging or language. अगर गैन एक earpiece gain and Bluetooth gain, you can use all these options according to your own wish. After that, we are going to see accessibility options. Accessibility options, you can see screen shock and magnification, color inversion perfectly working. You will have no issue. After it, you can see multiple options here and you can use these options correctly. After that, we are going to see here security options. If we talk about security, you will see here pattern lock, in which you can see some customizable option and 3x3 pattern lock, 4x4 and 5x6. You are going to see these options. Again, you will also see here face lock and fingerprint lock, which are working perfectly. You can also customize the app lock settings here, which will perfect workly. You can see the app lock is working perfectly as I used this app lock on clock app. You can see it is working very good. You can unlock the app by fingerprint or face unlock. After that, all the settings are perfectly working according to security. We are going to check here the X negative checker. You can see the silence issue is present by default. This ROM is working, and after that we are going to see here the security next cases, and you will see here is the issue about CK's profile match. You can see the CK profile match is fail here, and after that we see the Geekbench score. You can see Geekbench score is very good for this ROM. The performance score is very good. You can easily use this ROM for daily uses. Score 7K9 and 1097. The score is very good for this ROM. Also, we are going to see here the banking apps. You can easily use banking apps without any security problems. Yono SBI, Yono like HDFC Net Banking, Paytm, PhonePe and Google Pay all are working perfectly. You will have no issue to use these apps. You can see you can easily log in Yono SBI. अगर गैनिक you can also log in Yono like. These apps is perfectly working. You will have no issue. Other than it, you can also see guys get neck banking is working perfectly. Here co you will no have any issue. Cause no worries about your payment transaction using any banking app in this ROM. You can easily manage all the transactions easily without any problem or security breach. So this ROM is very good. You can use this ROM in Galley Driver. This is very stable and smoke ROM. You can also game in this ROM very good. For gaming, ACAN ROMs are always best as it's stable and smoke. The battery backup of this ROM is also very good. You can see Paycam is working perfectly in this ROM. You will have no issue in banking app. The place for certification of device is not certified in this ROM. This issue will be resolved in next update. After it, here are some options: privacy and storage cap. You can use these options for normal use. After it, we are going to discuss about sound. The sound quality is very good in this ROM. You will have no issue. The vibration is also working very fine. After there are some other options you can use, and also the volume down up button is very cool. You can use it without any problem. If we talk about sound, it's very good quality. After it, you can see other options in the ROM. Here are some settings options, and we are going to other use. Like here, some direct sound is not working in this ROM. After it, let's see about display. So here you can also see lock screen some settings. You can use brightness level and adaptive brightness. Like in can sketch very good in this ROM. You can see can sketch very cool. After it, style and wallpaper we talk about, you can easily customize a clock style and wallpaper settings. After it, screen location, screen wake and wake and capco sleep option perfectly working. You can see capco sleep on home screen and capco wake on lock screen perfectly working, but The Capco Sleep on lock screen is not working, but it's working on status bar. Also, the always on display is perfectly working. You will have no issue to use this ROM for gauge options. After it, here are some other options in display setting you can use. Also, here can Sonkra Wix, you can customize this ROM according to your own wishes. Here are many options you can use, many customized options, fingerprint, lock screen icon, battery option, battery level, clock options. These all options are perfectly working. You can use this option to customize your ROM and look of system UI. Also the icons, colors, and the same color graphic are perfectly working. You can see some issue I go here. These are behind camera options. So I don't like this option. So I usually turn off it. So I can see the signals. So you can customize this ROM according to your needs. So here are some options, button, navigation, power menu. These options are perfectly working. So no doubt you can use this ROM easily. Here are some other customizable option in home setting launchers. You can see icons home screen. So some options are perfectly working here. At a glance home screen you can customize your icon size and icon numbers. If we talk about quick eyes, so quick eyes is very cool here. You can customize these options and you can click Kyle's here. If we talk about it's working, these are perfectly working. You have flashlight, course, battery saver, night light and dark. All are perfectly working. You will have no issue to use this option in your own. Night light is perfectly working in work color. Okay, there are some options. You can also select direct theme from here. It is very good feature in this from I found. You don't need to go to display settings to change a theme. You can directly change the theme from here and it's working very good. You may feel some lag because it directly change the entire system. So a little lag is desirable here. After it you can see other settings here like notification and network connectivity. Here all the settings are perfectly working. Wi-Fi connectivity, hotspot and Bluetooth connectivity all are working very fine. And if we talk about the call recording in Dialer, it's working because I have installed G apps of Nick Core. So these options are perfectly working, but native video calling and Wi-Fi calling is not working. As you know, in Gauge ROMs, these options are not working. You can see recording call is perfectly working. You will have no issue to use this option. Let's talk about another options here. But the issue I found here is that the screen doesn't turn off while calling. The sensor issue may be here. It will be resolved in next update. Sure, you will have no worry for it. So this is the option I talk about calling. After it, you will see here co camera, simple camera, and camera go. Both cameras are working perfectly. The quality of photos and videos are perfectly working. You can see some customizable option here like filters and some other customizable setting you can easily use these cameras. You will have no issue to use these settings. So the camera is perfectly working. You can also use the camera go. Camera go is also working perfectly. This is the best camera in this ROM I found. So you can easily use this camera. You will have no issue. It's some cool features you will get here. So all the settings are perfectly working. This ROM you can use this ROM for daily uses. And if we talk about this battery backup, it's also very good. The battery backup of this ROM I found very good, so good. You can use battery saving, active battery, and smart charging options which are perfectly working. You can see the battery backup is very good. You will have no issue while gaming. The weakness is also not much in this ROM. You can use this ROM for gaming surely. You can see the battery backup here. And if we talk about gaming, so this ROM doesn't need any pro for gaming. The gaming performance is just awesome. So guys, let's make in next video. Subscribe our channel for now. Thank you for watching.